Hello curious, welcome to my channel. My name is Dominique and I'm here to brag with my double D. My pregnancy double D. No, I'm kidding. Hello, welcome. If it is the first time you are seeing this crazy and joking face, please consider subscribing if you're already liking what you're seeing. Today we are going to be talking about my pregnancy and what I've learned, tips and tricks to survive. It's a surviving issue, how to survive your first trimester and the roller coaster of first trimester and things I wish I'd known before. Okay, so yeah, if you're on that pregnancy journey or you are about to, or you're just a sympathizer and you're learning for yourself or for somebody else, why not? You're most highly welcome. So currently I am in my 13th week. Yeah, I made it. I made it and I have a little bit of energy. First tip, put this one over every other thing I'm going to tell you. Be flexible. Be flexible with your knowledge, be flexible with your experience, be flexible with your body and what it is giving you back. So the symptoms are going to be different for different body and for different pregnancy. Like even if you are a twin and you or your twin, you are whatever identical, and you got pregnant the same day, you might have different pregnancies. So tabula rasa, I will say tabula rasa on your knowledge or your experience, on what you've heard or whatever. I will say give it a 40% wave and 60% is you, your feeling, your emotions, your body, what your body is giving you. Really, like, be flexible and listen to your body. Second tip is going to be on the symptom side, which is going to be the cramping, which you have very early on, and it is so worrying and frightening because, you know, the first trimester is the everything or nothing trimester, like. But I'm going to remove a little bit of fear by explaining the difference between period cramping or bleeding cramping and cramping coming from your cervix closing, like I could really feel it, and cramping also coming from your uterus, your womb growing. Not even at that point, it's something pulsing, like boop boop boop. And let me stand up and you can see maybe my not really baby, but because I'm a first whatever. So this is my 13 weeks bump, and this is where my hand is right now. Count like 2 centimeters behind. That is where you will be feeling the normal cramping, and period cramping are usually behind the back here. So you will feel that cramping. It is okay, don't worry, everything is well. That I was like, what is this? Every 5 minutes I was in the bathroom, using the bathroom, and anyways. Third tip is going to be on these tatas getting big and bigger, and the biggest. I've come to love it. Like, it is also a tip. I've come to love the size of the tatas. Like, nothing is like fitting. Use either cold or warm path to really remove the tendon, to go through the tendon. It is painful, like you can't even lie on your stomach anyway. If you are a belly sleeper as I am, it's hard. Okay, it's hard. Fourth tip, I think, yes, is going to be, you are getting bigger, you are pregnant, but people, it is a kind of lonely time because I decided to wait for the first trimester to get over before I could open my talkative mouth to anybody. So it's a lonely one. You might think like you want to share with the whole world, especially the genuine people around you who supported you are still supporting you through the journey. Instead of feeling guilty or feeling lonely, learn to turn your mindset to love your body, to love the pregnancy, love the pregnancy fact, isn't it? So love it and trust your body, trust your environment, trust everything. Like, attract positivity to your pregnancy. Pray if you go by faith as I do, and develop a kind of friendship and positive thinking towards stretch mark, towards getting big, putting on weight, and enjoy the journey. It is a wonderful journey. Like, yes, enjoy the journey. So, and talking about stretch mark, the next tip is going to be no, please don't come at me with body shaming and saying it is nature's tattoo to have stretch mark, blah blah blah. I get it. Like, we are going to wear it with pride or proud, and it's part of the journey. It shows your body have gone through a lot of things, but it doesn't mean you are not going to prevent it. So the earlier the better. Even the first trimester, start doing your homework and enjoy like the wellness time. The wellness, somebody's looking at me, so that's why I'm get out of here. Was machst du da? Steh auf und geh, was siehst du? Warum guckst du mich so an? Anyways, like, clingy father sitting there. So enjoy the massage time. Like, for me, it's now I enjoy it. I enjoy massaging my stomach, my back. Like, I already have it. Stretch my prawn skin. All of my sisters, you know, something like 70% genetics. So I'm just like, okay, we are not going to completely give up. Yes, your energy level are going to be low. Like, imagine a wrecking ball went on you and did what it wanted to do, and look at what, that is how you are going to be feeling, and it is okay. It is okay. Why? Your body is a one-man factory manufacturing a human being. That's a lot. That's a huge lot. So it is normal that you are wrecked. But here's the tip. I wish I had known him earlier. The more you will move and do a little bit of something, the lesser you will be tired. Again, listen to your body. But my tip, what really helped me like week 7, 8 was really to go for a walk, like to at least get 3,000 to 5,000 steps a day, sometimes 7. And I was still tired, but it was lower. Okay, another tip is snacking. Have your snack everywhere you go. Have your snack with you. Before you know, you are like shaking. Your blood sugar levels, they really go very low very fast. And I'm a faster. Like, I did OMED, I did alternated fasting before. Like, you go maybe 5-6 hours without eating and you're already shaking as if you went 36 hours without eating. That's even the comparison. So things get serious very, very quick. Same thing for back pain. Move. I will even say, and that helps me, do something like yoga or stretching. My two life-changing and life-saving poses, yoga poses, the child pose and the downward facing dog. Like, child pose is the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning in the bed. And if you're not into yoga, do a kind of stretching. You got me. Yeah. Now, clothing. People say buy this breast wear grip where you can put behind it. Look, my cup, I cannot That's my experience. The cup are not functioning. The cup is bigger. Like I went from a B to a D. Like, hey, look at this. It is a lot. Okay, so you can start changing sizes and buying clothes if you want. But I'm a bargainer. I'm a budgeter. Yes, call me the names you want to call. Just jumped directly into breastfeeding clothes. Like while you are buying the things, like don't just buy the next D cup breastwear, but buy maybe a D cup with a breastfeeding option. Then you are okay, you get what I'm saying. Or if you were to buy some new clothes, yes, I haven't yet bought anything. Like I promise you, even in the first trimester there are days you are bloated like there's nobody's business, but you are only at something 9 weeks, and the next day you are hip. So you feel it's weird. Okay, so buy maybe these bigger dresses, like you can keep wearing them even after your pregnancy, like 10 years after down the road, if you're a classic type of person. And you know, don't just buy clothes for 6 months. I feel it's not ethical, it's not ecological, it's not like, okay, you can buy 1 or 2 shirts, but make sure you buy clothes you can breastfeed with, like button up, like you can always open here and crack, come here if you are to breastfeed. I forgot to say that, and so on and so forth. And last tip, I think everybody knows this one, but let me say it for the records. Okay, everything orange, agrums, lime, ginger. Oh, I have a tea with lemongrass, ginger, orange peels, and something like a sweet wood. I still don't know the name. It is life-changing. Like my nausea, my dysgeusia, scent, everything, it was too much, and it's still too much. But that made it like from 100% not having it to 40 to 60%, which is not the best, but at least like if you are there, it is a big release. So next tip, I know this one is going to maybe annoy 1 or 2. Drink a lot of water with lime or with ginger, or both of them, or cucumber. But water is going to help you through fatigue. Water is going to help you through the nausea. Really, I mean it. And if you are afraid of frequent urination, you can use this tip by when you go to the toilet, instead of sitting like this, sit like that, to put a little bit more pressure on your bladder to really get more water out of your system. I think I reduced my my urination frequency to 30%. So drink. I know, but drinking will help. Same thing, I will say your nose, you send things 10 times or 20 times more in intensity, which I will also say in the other sense, it is great, like if you love lavender or vanilla, or like spoil yourself with some wellness time. Use it, put the candles or the perfume or whatever scent you are enjoying, go for it. Like instead of just saying, I don't want to send that, make sure you send what you want to send, what you're enjoying. You are going to love it. Like me and candles, me and lavender, me and my perfumes right now, or whatever things I like. I'm addicted. I just follow it as if I was, I don't know. It's good. Pregnancy is nice, actually. Okay, you've seen the other videos where I was complaining, but pregnancy is nice if you change your perspective and you see it as a miracle journey. Like, who can manufacture a human being in this world? We men. We do that. Like, men give us something small to keep for 9 months and we fructify it in a 3 kilo, 4 kilo bundle of joy and bouncing baby. Isn't that great? Isn't that great? So I'm going to stop here. I've already showed you my baby bump, which is actually not a bump, but here is my little bundle of joy, baking and enjoying him or herself down there. Thanks for watching. As for always, I am blessing each and every woman of TTC in baby does, and you are going to get your big facts positive very soon. Subscribe. Bye. Mwah.